Hey yo, what's up guys, it's Gaming Inspector, and today in this video we're gonna start playing some Swarm Simulator. Right, yeah. I'm making a video of my room tour I'm posting today. And I said I'm gonna make a Minecraft video, but I mean it got boring. I don't want to do anything. So I'm gonna play some Roblox today. Let's see, I made a billion. Yeah, a billion. Yesterday I've been sitting grinding 2 days to get to billion. From yesterday, I got 1 million only, so over 900 million. And today I made 100 million, and I have a billion. Also, the new packs came out. There is the New Year Boost bundle and the Festive Frenzy haul. I got the Festive Frenzy haul because it's a pretty good deal, but it probably costs 200 slots. So, oh my god. Oh yeah. I don't know what B I got, what kind of gifted B I got, and yeah stuff. I just got the precise B, and a gifted. So yeah, I'm doing some quests, the Spirits Bird quest. I think it's easier now if I have, you know, these boosts right here. I'm gonna shoot the thing. Pretty boring. But yeah, you're wondering, I got this, yeah, I got the stick bug, you know, achievement, yay. I can just, you know, I'm just happy I'm getting it. And today we're gonna do some quests, you know, use some different virals, gonna get some pairs, and even here. So yeah, let's go. So now, we also need some 33 beans. Bane. Hey, you want some beans, huh? Wait, I don't have a bean. Wait, where's the beans? Where's the beans? Where's the beans? Oh, yeah, use this. Get them beans. Use the beans, please. Doesn't count, right? As sharing. Wait, I'm not actually sharing it. I need a quest. Yes! Yes, thank you, boy. Yes, he's sharing. I'm sharing him some stuff. Thank you. Good boy. I need a quest. I'm gonna spam. Spam. It's not gonna work against him. Just use 6. Please collect them. I need them for the quest. Yes! Boys, we just found our first person who wants it. There's a blame me here. Right, okay, I'll come back to you. There you go. I need to do the quest. That's this thing that's good, because see, now we're doing the quest that I needed to do. And now I need to grind from the. Oh wait, I forgot. If you do a jelly beans sharing bone, if you share some jelly beans, you get some pretty good boosts. So now you get the loaded dice trying to get spider. First try, boys. First try. We just got a thing. So now I'm gonna do the. Yeah, it usually takes ages to do this quest and stuff, but I mean I got the boost, so I mean I'm gonna do this first. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to do 60 million for the blue. Oh god, I forgot about that. Oh god. I also got a gummy bee and also a gifted vector bee. And got some gonna get upgrades, you know, stuff. I got some festive bees. I barely even use it anymore because I don't want to use them. What I have to do from here, I can't just go for the coconut over there. Guys, I'm just an idiot. Give me coconut. No, it's not what I wanted. No. 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 I want coconut. Give me coconut. Coconut crab. Coconut. Oh no, I don't have coconut. Oh god, no. No! It's pepper. I don't want pepper. Coconut? Yes! Yes. That's the last one. Okay, let's go. As you can get so much on this, so. Oh god. Ow, you little pesky little punk. Wow, I'm trying to do my quests. How are you still damaging me? Wow, you're so annoying. You're mean. You're very mean. I'm sorry, you're mean. You're pretty mean. I'm trying to do my quest and this guy's trying to kill me. I hate you. You know, I hate you. Coconut crab. I wish I could just kill you. But I can't. Because you're boring as heck. No, why is he still killing me? How and Why? Please just leave me alone. I'm trying to do a plus here, but I know, yeah, you have a good field, and yeah, I don't want you to touch it. But I need it for my boost, please. Just, I won't attack you later. Let me do this. No! Oh, wait, I was doing a quest from the coconuts, so that's basically the best to do this. So, I'm doing this quest, so I need to do from the power back. GTA para Absano Lester shot me my angel and Lester. Okay, I don't have the quest done, but I need to do this quest then. This is gonna take me. Ow! Wait, why is he? He was less health or not? Give me that coconut. Ow! You're such a ham person. I need to get the, I need to get that done. Oh god, you're gonna kill me. Oh yes, do I have mine? Wait, oh no, I forgot. I still have my mirrors running at me. Yeah. Let's do 6. Okay. So, now we need to do some. Oh, it's good, but you just need to share it. But I don't have time. So, I need 50 enzyme to get the belt, a better belt, the best belt I think you can get. If I'm correct, let me check. Yeah, and stuff like that. But I mean, no, not that. I'll show you guys the vid. Can you guys see what I'm doing? You guys don't see what I'm doing. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna try and see, can I help get to try and find it? No, not this. I mean, I should add. Oops, I accidentally just clicked the button wrong. Okay, I'll just show you guys. Okay, I can't do this one. So, the best belt is a. Where's the? Yeah, items. Yeah, belts. They should be like very good, like these, like there's a. Yeah, the second best is the Comico belt, and I'm trying to farm for that. I think I should farm for. And the best one is the Pelham belt. So, yay, sheesh. Oh, it's a. Okay, so I have the, I need the chemical ones. Okay, that's pretty normal. So you need. Okay, so I think a little. Hey, this is chemical ones over there. Okay. Oh my god, it's so dark in here. Oh god. This is you jump on that. Yep. What are we trying to do? What's this? No, that was right. I'm such a. Okay, I'm bad at the moment, right? Okay. Okay, let me just get mine. Yay. But yeah, we need over 50 of them. So I need 12. So 120. But that's gonna cost me so much. Oh god, no. Oh god, oh no. Yeah, but I have strawberries, yeah, but I need 500 strawberries. Oh no. Oh, to the no, no, no. Pick 10. That's 500 of those. Oh god, ow. Ow, that's even more so. Ow. Oh, I've lost all my earnings now. Oh. Was it a good idea? I think it wasn't, I think it was a bad idea to do this, guys. So much honey. I only have 186 strawberries. So I need, for my max, yeah, I need 6. So I need 60. Oh no, I need 60 of them. Oh god, I need 60 of those things. But I can claim it. I still have my honey. I still have 1 billion. Smarter. I don't have any way anymore. Oh god, I'm just stuck here. Yoom. 6. Wait, what? How many 3? Oh no, because I don't have any strawberries. Oh, so no, no, no. We don't have any strawberries, please. Oh no, oh no. Emergency, emergency. Need a emergency. Okay, we have to do the festive. Okay, I hope I get so much, because if I don't get any, I'll put a red sprout. Oh, it's bad. It's only a rare. Pretty much a good one. Okay, I'm gonna try and find a good amount of. Wait, this is my festive. Yay! Still getting fun. If I get some pepper, I think I might do a boost here. Give some. Where is potion? Yay! Oh no. Where is he? No, yeah. Okay, we have to go pine. But people are gonna steal my loot. Oh no. Should I join a private server to do this? Because people are gonna steal my loot, I think, when I do this. I don't know. I want to join a private server. Just for now, I'm not. I'm just, yeah. Let it just farm itself. Let it just farm itself. Yeah, let it just farm itself. Hell yeah. If only I had, the spicy. I have so much in this. Yeah, this is my last one, so. Oh, I'm not gonna get any. Oh no, I'm not gonna get any strawberries. I forgot. So this is not how it works. Held. I'm gonna get some prank things from enzymes right now. Let me find any enzymes, bro. I need enzyme. I don't know if you need any pineapples. I think you need for that. I don't know if you need a pineapple. Do you need a pineapple for this? I think you do need a pineapple. Glitter. Thank you. Another. Yeah, another one here. Sheesh, just getting more. Loot. Sheesh. How many? Yes, got some more. I mean, I could have got more strawberries. I just didn't have the. Because it was basic, so I could have, people can still install it. I could have just done that. Okay, let me see. Wait, but wait. The question is, wait. The question is, how does the thing cost? The what's it called? What's called it? A blue one, a blue musk. I think it's it's way worse, but I think it's gonna be, not expensive that much. Yeah, because you can also only this, but yeah, you need 50 of those. I don't have that much. And for getting the, you know, what's it called? Just getting, you know, the mask from the red, you need over how many? Like, how many you need for this? To get a fire mask. And I think I need my mask more than that, so let me check. Yes, you need 25 enzymes, 50 of those, 500 of strawberries. Yeah, I'm gonna active today a Discord server. I'll put it in the link in the description. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I have nothing to do here, so I'm gonna hang for next day. I'm just gonna see make me, yeah, you know, add me and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to see more videos, like button, and I'll see you guys on Discord. Bye.